Good morning from me and my star pimple patch. I had one little guy that just popped up yesterday and I was like, not today, not today. Kids are up. I just finished meditating and I'm gonna start on breakfast. Sage is making breakfast. It looks like a bento box.
No, I'm making breakfast.
Thank you. Can I have some croissants?
We don't have croissants.
Oh, we do. I'm gonna make some. We actually have some croissants. Preheat to 370.
Okay.
We have all these eggs we have to use up in the next 2.5 days. We have like 2 more full days here. We have some strawberries and blueberries, breakfast sausages, and then I have some frozen shiitake mushrooms.
I'll give it off.
So as you know, we are away on vacation. We've been away for like the last week and a half. We have a couple more days here before we head back home, and it's finally getting warm back at home too. So I feel like we're gonna leave sunshine to head back to sunshine. I know when it comes to feeding your family, it can feel very overwhelming. You're like, we don't want to do takeout every single night. We want home cooked meals, but like, how do you find a balance? So I want to share in today's video how we do that. Breakfast is one of those meals I feel like it's just so easy to make at home. And so even if you're staying in a hotel or an Airbnb, you can just order a few basic ingredients and make something delicious, like a packet of eggs, some butter, get some fruit and stuff, some avocado, and you can make a really delicious meal for breakfast. And that way everyone's leaving the day feeling satiated and their tummies are happy, and then you're not gonna be hangry the minute you leave the door. Usually my motto is to have at least 1 meal a day home cooked and then the other 2 like on the go. I mean, ideally, you know, you could have like 2 home cooked, but even in a hotel room, it's really hard to like obviously like make a dinner. I would say if you can have breakfast, even if it's like make an oatmeal or something. Usually there is a kettle, a mini fridge, some you can even get like a little kitchenette, but even if all you have is a kettle, there's definitely food that you can make, or just do a cold breakfast. So I'm gonna add in my scrambled eggs. And yes, I'm definitely missing my non-toxic ceramic pans at home. It's one of the reasons why I actually prefer staying in a home versus a hotel room. A lot of times it can even be cheaper, but you just have access to a full kitchen, so it's easier to make full meals. And I feel like I have it down to a science now. I try to get the most minimal amount of ingredients to make a variety of things. And if you just take some time to actually plan out your meals, then you won't overshop. I usually just try to make the meals I know that our kids will 100% eat. So tacos, pasta. Last night we did like chicken shawarma wraps with like a tzatziki dressing. Honestly, they were just so hungry, I think they would have eaten whatever. Like when you're traveling and on the go, it's a great opportunity to serve your kids new foods because they might actually try them. Hi Oakley! Oh, Oakley's on camera.
Hey buddy.
I got my breakfast sausage patties going, some scrambled eggs. Try my best with the kitchen equipment we have. And then I'm gonna have some fruit on the side. Sage is probably gonna want a sunny side up egg, and Oakley already had some banana and peanut butter. I'm that crazy person that brings like all their own tea bags and stuff with them, but I have these little like herbal coffee packets. Since I don't drink regular coffee, I just bring them with me on the go. And then I also brought this suspicious bag of collagen powder. So I'm just gonna make my coffee, and I also have some liquid stevia. I don't even know what's happening right now. Oakley. Oakley's like a tribal. Whoa, those look good. My kids go nuts for croissants, so if I can make them at home, even better. I'm gonna do some strawberries on the side for Sage, blueberries for Oakley, and I'm probably gonna do half a croissant for Oakley. Oh my God, you hear that? Wow. Smells incredible in here. Sage, do you want cottage cheese?
Yes.
Where do you want it? On the side here, next to the egg?
Here.
Okay.
Not the peanut.
They already had banana and peanut butter for right when they woke up. And this is Oakley's, little cottage cheese for protein, blueberries, and croissant. And then Sage, she only likes the egg whites, cottage cheese, and strawberries and croissant. Look at that yummy breakfast spread. Okay.
And I want raspberries.
Oh, we're all out of raspberries. I know. We need to get more.
Mommy, don't get
Okay, we're going to go outside for our breakfast party.
Yeah, but I need my stuff
Okay,
too.
well-
Look at my stuff. I have what?
Oh, okay.
Mr. Oaks.
Mr. Oakley's.
Mr. Oaks, please.
Okay, look at that. Nice healthy breakfast before we have a big day out. Oh, put it there and we'll put it on this high chair. Okay, this is Sage's breakfast. Do we have to bring out all this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I made so much.
I know.
need all of them.
Okay, here, you hold that one.
I got toothpaste.
You hold that one.
You get the rest.
Okay. There you go, Oakley. I like to just pop his blueberries so that they're a little smaller. Pop. He's like, what are you doing? Whoa, Oakley. Is that good? I think he likes it.
Bah.
Pop. Here is my breakfast plate, scrambled eggs, cottage cheese, breakfast sausage patty, berries, and my fresh croissant. Okay, breakfast party time. All right, we're gonna have some breakfast and then probably head out for the day. So we have 2 full days here and then Friday we leave, so it'll be like a half day. You guys know I've been really focusing on my protein intake, and especially when I'm traveling, I want to feel my best. I want to feel satiated, especially if we're like out and about doing more things than normal. Even when we're away from home, actually, especially when we're away from home, I'm focusing on my protein. So it's really important for me when we are traveling that even when we're eating out, I'm making sure to order protein options so that I feel better and I feel full. Honestly, so the kids feel full. Like, they get crazy if they don't have enough protein. My stage 5 clinger found me. So I got a snack wheel for Oakley and one for Sage. I love these because you can just click. Surprise! I got those cornets that you like and the dried mango. So I got freeze-dried mango, dried strawberries, these little cheddar rockets. These are little like puffs, and blueberries and cucumber for Oakley. This one here are some turkey chops.
Okay.
We are just about to head out for a little family adventure. We do not leave the house without snacks, whether we're traveling or at home. I'm gonna pop these into their diaper bag, make sure they have an extra set of clothes, diapers, wipes, and water bottles, and we're good to go. One of the things that we always do when traveling as a family is we order a lot of our groceries online to be delivered. This saves so much time in the store, grocery shopping, overspending. You're usually hangry when you get there because you're trying to like set up and get ready for your trip. So we go ahead and we pre-order our groceries ahead of time. Even for breads, we love sourdough, and it can be hard to find like good quality ones at local grocery stores. So we actually use Wild Grain. They're the first bake from frozen subscription box. They do things like sourdough, pastries, even pasta. They have a whole range of products. You basically build your own box. They even have plant-based and gluten-free options, and then they will deliver them straight to your door, which is so convenient, and everything tastes delicious. Wow. And what I love is that they actually partner with small bakers and pasta makers across the country to keep the traditional artisanal and nutritious food alive. Whether you're at home or traveling, having freshly baked goods in the comfort of your own home is seriously the best. My kids love it. Oakley literally devoured his croissant this morning and was asking for more. And I love the options that they carry. In this box, we got a sourdough. We got, oh my God, these are the best bakery chocolate chunk cookies. Simple ingredients, and you literally just bake them from frozen, which makes it so easy. We also got this ricotta and lemon ravioli. Add a sauce to this. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Anyways, I've been at Disney too long. Matt is a huge pretzel lover, so this is actually pretzel buns, which I think we might be doing hamburgers tonight. They have so many options to browse through on their website. We actually used them back in January when we were in Florida for a few months, and we loved them. The whole family enjoyed it, and it just brought some comfort into the meals that we were already making. Believe it or not, finding good quality baked goods is actually kind of hard sometimes. If you look at the ingredients, there's like a whole whack of preservatives in them. But what I like about Wild Grain is that they use a slower fermentation process that's easier on your belly but richer in nutrients. Use my code Nikole to get $30 off your first box plus free croissants for life. Are you kidding me? The croissants are delicious, but they have so many other options that you can choose from. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. Already at the snacks. Snack. Snack wheel for Seiji. So we're just at Disney Springs, getting some steps in. I feel like every day here is just so nice and sunny. It's actually not humid right now. Or are we just like used to it? I don't know, I can't tell, but apparently it's 35 and humid back at home right now. So we're gonna just go back to the exact same weather. But yeah, we're just doing some shopping, getting souvenirs for the familia. And I have some birthdays that happened too while we were here. So we're getting some stuff for them as well. Oakley's got some chicken, rice, corn, and orange. Are you waiting for the thunderstorm? And Sage has a cheesy pepperoni pizza and a little broccoli. Just don't eat that chicken because the monkeys are gonna go crazy. Uh-oh. Is it good chicken? Yeah? Getting a 4-year-old to eat their food.
He's moving.
Okay, eat the broccoli and maybe the thunderstorm will start. I got the filet mignon steak with veggies and mashed potatoes.
Salmon, shrimp, rice, steamed veggies.
Salty. Very salty, but that's good. Okay, I'm having a little cereal and almond milk. A little afternoon snack. Well, Oakley naps, Sage and I are gonna watch a little TV, and she's got some popcorn. Making little apple and peanut butter snack plates for the kids, and Oakley's gonna have a little smoothie pack. He just woke up from his nap. Kids are both having hot dogs, sweet potato fries, and corn.
Round two.
And ketchup and mustard.
Oh, okay. Matt actually made dinner tonight, so we have some asparagus, corn, grass-fed hot dogs. He wanted me to... Are these grass-fed hamburgers?
Yep.
Yeah, and we have some cheese on top, and I think we have some like mixed lettuce. We're gonna like just pile it on top and do a little bit of a lettuce bun, but super easy Airbnb dinner tonight. Good morning. It's the next day. We're off on a little morning walk out early before it gets too hot. And we're just gonna do a walk and then end at the like big pool with the water slides and stuff. Kids have their snack wheels. She's pushing her baby Minnie Mouse, and it's a little overcast, which is actually kind of nice. Last night, honestly, I was so tired. I barely vlogged what we ate. Matt made hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff, and yeah, I was so tired. I like ate that and passed out. For breakfast today, we pretty much ate the same thing as yesterday. I don't know what we're doing for lunch today, but today's our official last day in Orlando. We fly out tomorrow, so we're gonna have to scrounge something up for lunch and dinner today. Nice shady spot. go do the water slide. Sage is telling me the blue one is slow, but I know it's fast.
No.
It's slow. Okay, let's go do it. Is that fun, Sage?
It's slow, Mama. It's slow.
Okay. It was fast. All right, Oakley's napping. I'm having some leftover hamburger from yesterday, leftover cauliflower. This is a spring mix that I got the other day. I'm just gonna do a really easy salad dressing. Do a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Easiest salad dressing. I don't know what we're having for dinner tonight. Something easy because we don't want to have leftovers. And Matt's gonna have one of the pretzel buns with his hamburger. It's good. Perfect. We have sushi for dinner tonight.
I don't want seaweed.
You don't want seaweed? Okay, just for Oakley. Is this for you? Protein. I got some salmon and shrimp sashimi. What did you get?
I got sushi rolls and beans
Edamame.
and mommy and
You gonna try some of this? I got some shrimp and salmon. For rolls, we got salmon, avocado, and cucumber, and then California. This is Oakley's plate. Matt did a little, some seaweed wraps for him. And then we actually have a ripe avocado, so I'm gonna cut this up as well. That's our dinner tonight. Tonight is our last full day here, so we leave tomorrow, so we just want to do an easy takeout meal. But this is something that we would normally get when we're away from home on vacation or just staying at an Airbnb. All right, I chopped up one of the rolls for Oakley, added some avocado on there and some for Sage as well. All right, we switched Sage's plate to the pink one.
yeah,
There
we have two pink ones.
There you go. How's your dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thumbs up? He's tired. Thumbs up? Avocado. Avocado. Kids are having a little sweet treat for dessert. I love this brand Good Pop. They do different like sugar-free popsicles and stuff. Simple ingredients. And then I think Matt got this one to try out as well. Veggie and vanilla crunch. That looks really good. Kind of like a Magnum bar. Okay, I'm currently out here editing a vlog and Mr. Matt brings me a mocktail mojito. Are you kidding me? Okay, bartender. That looks so good, Matt. Ooh, there's nothing more refreshing than a mojito. So stevia in it instead of the like simple syrup that you normally have. So it's like a healthy mocktail. Anyways, it looks so good. Wow. It looks very limey on the bottom, which I love. Ooh, that's good, Matt. I'm just out here editing / reviewing a vlog that would have already gone up by the time this goes up, so I'll link it here for you guys. But it's nice. It's rained. It's still cloudy out right now, but it's definitely like the humidity has calmed down a bit. So I'm gonna enjoy my little mocktail, and I don't know if I'm gonna have a snack. I'll probably have a snack. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna have something boring, like, although we do have those chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Wild Grain. Use my code Nikole to get $30 off your first box, plus free croissants for life. Like, every time I say it, I'm like, that just sounds like for life. Free croissants forever. Forever and ever. But I'm gonna have them linked down below. We love using them. Everything we've tried from them is seriously so good, and the fact that you can just like bake it fresh in your home is amazing. Great for like entertaining too. Like, you pop that out of the oven when you have guests over, they are gonna be impressed. I will see you in the next video. Bye.